This video is made for educational purposes only and contains original commentary.
Calling emergency services.
Swing states that will ultimately determine whether Donald Trump or Kamala Harris wins the White House. And Jenny, you have been reporting out of Nevada. So just to begin with, put that broad overall picture for us.
So we're in a coin flip election nationally.
I didn't see it, but I went through driving. Oh, Nelly.
That's promising to merge behind someone like this.
Just back off and leave room. That's what I did.
In fact, I'm barely in third gear. How back off do I need to be? I'm gonna get run over.
Oh, these friggin'
Unreal.
God damn. Wow.
For the money, that's the devil in me. Had that. I never thought twice what the pressure would be, cause niggas' chains look just like oppression to me. P.O.V. kilos in my
But B, if you are in that position and you have those feelings, get help, figure out a way to find a therapist, go online, look it up. It's good to get help for yourself, and it's good to solve those problems.
Yeah.
They're solvable problems. We've both been there.
And it's good to have friends too, and I have to say the Facebook group those people everyone's becoming friends.
I bet she studied the actuarial tables, all right? I bet you she actually studied the fucking actuarial tables. You may be right, But that doesn't excuse anything I do. This is a funeral we're talking about, her husband's funeral. Killian laughed. You could call it a funeral if you want. To her, it's Christmas. But to do this to a girl on the day of her husband's funeral, practically on top of the corpse?
Fuck!
All right. Let me put it to you another way. What do you want?
Oh my god. I almost recorded this shit, but he almost crashed into that.
$1,000 worth. Fuck. There really aren't. I mean, we may find an occasional field, but from also they'll spend say $10 billion looking for oil, and they only find $8 billion worth. Fuck. There really aren't. I mean, we may find an occasional field, but.
Wow, you're that fucking sensitive, dude. Seriously?
Woo! Damn, lady. Wow.
Office hasn't been this busy since like the 1830s.
Oh my god!
Badass driver. And we're recording. That was cool.
Fuck.